Hey friends, it's Amber, and I just got a new box of goodies from scrapbook.com, and I thought I'd do a really quick, fun unboxing with you. So I started to pull everything out, and then I realized that I should wait and do it with you. So that is why you see everything in disarray. So basically, I found this really awesome travel set from 49th and Market, and I bought like all of it. So because if you know me, you know how I feel about travel. And the other thing too is they also had 3 freebies. They had 3 freebies on this day, which was pretty cool. So I actually got this extended magic mat for my die cut machine for free. And I have a smaller one. I got that one for free on a previous day. So I've got the extended one. I got these sponge daubers for free. And this stencil I also got for free. So if you ever shop on scrapbook.com, make sure you go to the coupons and deals section and check for free stuff, because I get free pops sometimes. This is, you know, they always have cool stuff. So anyway, I had set an alert for these are the stencils. So it's like a holly berry kind of thing. There's 3 different layering stencils. Anywho, I had set an alert so that when this stuff came in, I would get notified. These are rub-ons. Like, how seriously fun are these? They are so cool. They're both 12 by 12, so this is just all sentiments, which I just think is so cool. And it even comes with a rubbing stick, which is like plastic. And there's lots of little like bits and pieces. So like these are not connected. And these are like bits of maps. So how fun would that be to like layer that right behind a photo? And you could like cut it in half and use half on like another photo. They look like really good quality. So this is, and these are designed by Katie Perdiette, I'm not sure. And she used to run words are escaping me. Oh, what did she run? She ran like a huge digital scrapbooking thing that I can't think of right now, and it's driving me crazy. Sorry. Allie's products used to even be saved on there. Sorry. The way my brain works, this will drive me nuts until I can figure it out. Designer Digitals. There we go. She runs the Designer Digitals website. So I didn't even realize that these were her designs. No wonder I love them, and no wonder they're so awesome, because she's so good at this kind of stuff. So anyway, that makes sense why I love this design. So I got some patterned papers. This one is like passport stamps on all these like colors. Oh gosh, I didn't buy enough of this. These are so cool. So this one's called Great Big World. It's so many different layers. Like there's passport stamps, there's maps, there's navigational symbols, there's maps on like there's Africa, and then there's like Africa this size. This is so cool. I might need to buy another one of these. And I love this as well. This one is, and they're really good quality paper. This one is just more maps that I like to cut up and use. So it's like city maps and more nautical maps. bigger maps on top of obviously the color maps. And these, I thought these were planes from like the computer, but they're just X's, which is fine. And these are like postcards on this side, and then just more maps and layers. But by far my favorite is this other sheet here. This is just so pretty. Love that. So let's dig into these. So this is, these were not cheap, they were like 11 bucks, but this was a fabric tape assortment. And it looks like it has, I thought it was cool. So it has like a little cutter that you can put on the edge of the box, and then you pull the tape over it and you just zip, zip right across. So that is really neat. Looks like you tear this out and then set this cutter down inside here. I don't know if you can see that on camera very well. It's really smart. So these are fabric tape with her designs. I just thought that was so cool. This is the kind of stuff you can use for like making your own book bindings, but I just thought they'd be cool for layering. So there's this really large piece here, and that one is, I'll grab my smaller ruler here, 2.5 wide. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this flat. Here we go. Then we have, these are postcard or passport stamps. Love that. That's probably an inch wide. Yep. Then these are like tickets of some kind. Not really sure exactly what kind of ticket, but would be really fun for layering. It's the same pattern that's on this paper here. And then a solid blue. And then I also got, and that is listed as repositionable. And then this is listed as washi tape, vintage Artistry Everywhere. So I got them because obviously they're different patterns. So this one is blue, like nautical maps, orange, probably kind of like a subway map kind of looking pattern. This is kind of like the scale of your map, because there's like numbers on there. And then this really cool colored map print. I don't want to pull a ton out, but just really neat. So fun. I had never really seen anything like this. I love these kind of designs. They're just so neat. So I'm a little crazy, as you can see. More rub-ons, which I don't even think I knew that it had all this stuff on this side. So cool. So these are defining words. So experience, explore, detour, excursion, hotel, view, tourist, souvenir, road. And then on the back is tons of tiny little icons. Thumbs up, thumbs down, which you can change based on which way you put them. Yes and no, explore, excursion, scripty words, bikes, little push pins like if you're on a map. All kinds of little symbols. Some more descriptions in here. Just so fun. I love the colors. They're so universal and go with everything. I got 2 packs of these because they're so stinking cool. These are just ginormous chipboard frames. There's 36 of them. They're non-adhesive, but how cool are these? I'm gonna open them. I love geotags. I put them everywhere, and I knew that one of these was not going to be enough because I'd hoard them. So I bought 2, and they were like $5 or $6, I think. Let me see. This probably doesn't have pricing. It doesn't have pricing, but they were like $6. How cute would this be with a photo in it or title or something? They're ginormous. Almost 6 inches by like 4 1/4. So I've got some of this medium size, and this next smaller size, and then of course the centers punch out, which have maps, which are fun in and of themselves. So cool. The neatest travel product I've seen in forever. And you can like mix and match these. You know, if you want this to have a map, pop it in there, you know. They all pop out. So there's like Cuba and can't be done. I have no idea. Utah, Mexico. Some of these are a little too close up. Amsterdam, New York and Philly, Baltimore, which is where I'm at, so that's cool. So yeah, these were just like the funnest thing ever, and I'm so glad I got two. Seeing these in person, they're even bigger and even cooler than I imagined. Honestly, I had no idea that the biggest ones were that size. No idea. They are so fun. And having two of them will allow me to hoard them less. So 2 of those. I got these chipboard titles. There's 72 pieces in here, which is insane. So all these really cool scripty words. Hopefully you can see this without glare. Hello, view, see, go, everywhere, adventure. Yes, trip, explore, detour, travel, favorite, go, tour. Tons more words. And then in between all those, there's all these little hearts with maps on them. And then all these chipboard phrases. Scenic route, adventure, destination, passport, famous, delicious, ticket, amazing. Like, I need a second one of those almost. That's so cool. Oh, and I forgot. This was also free. I got 4 free things. This says yay backwards. It's also a tag. It also has a little thing to cut out the hole there and a heart. How cool. I got 4 free things on my order. These were little, they're called wishing bubbles and baubles epoxy coats. X's to X marks the spot, arrows, some geotags, a bunch of different phrases, some compass pieces, and then just different colors. And then this is another chipboard set here. It has some more geotags, some, I don't even, like directional pieces with things, different chipboard arrows, circles with different phrases. On the road again, love this view. Oh, the places we go, love this place, time of our lives. And then some plain ones so you can stamp your own. Go, see, and do. X's, a butterfly with a map on it. There's some bikes, a couple city places, and then there's tabs, and then the center comes out, a grand adventure, we are adventurers. And then there's these banners, journey of a lifetime, this was worth the wait, and so it begins. These are like the coolest thing ever. I'm so excited. Definitely going to add more of this pattern paper to my next order before you guys all buy it. So highly recommend. The quality seems amazing. This chipboard is really nice, thick. It really wasn't that expensive. I will do my best to find and locate everything and share links. They will be affiliate links, but I really appreciate your support, and I hope you have fun checking out all this awesome product, especially for your travel albums coming up this year. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon for the next video. Bye for now.